Let's take a quick check-in on the furniture in Emmaus, Wallington. Look at this! Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful glazed display cabinet. It's £10. 10 golden nuggets is all you needed to buy that display cabinet. And you don't have to keep it dark wood. You can make it any colour you want, so it blends in with your home. And also, you don't have to leave the inside dark wood. You can buy some of that stick-on wallpaper from Amazon and just line the back of it, so it looks all snazzy with all your lead crystal glassware that you buy in the other room for £1.50. Oh my god! Can you see that I might like thrifting? Look at this solid wood bookcase. It's solid wood, the shelves are adjustable, and okay, it's thirsty, it's super dry, but that's fine. You get it home, you give it a light sand, and you put some tea coil on it. How hard is that? And oh my god, £17 for this oriental style console table. This is perfect for putting along a wall in your hallway or even behind your sofa, so that you get that extra storage space behind your sofa. But it's £17 and I'm like, oh my god, why don't I have somewhere to put this? It's amazing. In fairness, I wouldn't leave it that red wood. I would just paint over it. You can paint over it with chalk paint, you can paint over it with acrylic paint, whatever you want. The design of it is perfect as a match for some of the areas in our home. And look at this, you've got a matching set of 4 red plastic chairs on chrome legs. As soon as I Google Lensed it, it came up with a set of 3 red vintage Italian designer chairs. Get them for your own house and look cool, like you've got an Italian designer chair. Lots and lots of things are in good condition. I specifically highlighted this table and chairs, not because that's my style, but because it's in immaculate condition. So the table and chairs together, what's the table? £85, and then the chairs are £90. If you look carefully, you can see the date is written on each price label. So what you have to do is think, oh, this has been here for 4 months, so now I'm going to ask them if they'll take an offer. And that's it. That's how you get stuff at a price that you can afford. Thank you for joining us. Let me know in the comments if there are particular items you'd like me to film. I'll see you on the next video.